Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel All Sorted, and this video is going to be all about the 5 mistakes that people make that makes them fail testnet examination. So if you don't want to make these mistakes and fail in testnet, do watch this video. This is going to be very helpful. Alright guys, before we go on to the video, please subscribe to the channel to never miss any update or any notifications from me, my videos, so that you don't miss out on some informative videos like these. Guys, point number 1, I am very good at other areas other than GK. मेरा GK हो जाएगा. So taking GK lightly, mistake number 1. So people think that I've taken a lot of exams, my arithmetic is good, my maths is good, my VARC is fine. So 60 मार्क का तो मेरा अच्छे से हो जाएगा, तो GK में 15-20 भी ला लूँगा. So I am up for it. Okay. So guys, remember historically the cutoff for testnet for HRM has been the highest, and that has been from anywhere between 72 to 78 marks. Okay, so assume kar lo the cutoff for testnet will be 75 marks. Okay, that's a safe bet to have, that's a safe score to have. So 75 plus आपको करना है. And also the score is taken into consideration as a weighted score in the final, weighted score जो निकलता है interviews का मिला के, आपका score मिला के. So it is important to score your highest possible in testnet. Okay, so go beyond 80, 82. So that's a very good score. So remember, सिर्फ non GK पढ़ के नहीं होने वाला. Even if you score 60 marks, 60 out of 60 अगर आप ला लेते हो in the best case scenario, you will still need 20-25 marks in GK out of 40, and trust me, that is not very simple, because questions कहाँ से आ सकते हैं, we have no idea. We can just do our best whatever is there. So my suggestion is focus on current affairs first, because that is something जो एकदम अलग से सरप्राइज नहीं आएगा. करंट अफेयर्स, सो एक साल का करंट अफेयर्स अच्छे से कर लो. 1 year of current affairs, I've already told you, I have put in my Telegram channel, the monthly GK PDFs of all the months are there in my Telegram channel, and other aspirants have put some awesome stuff for current GK. So please join the Telegram channel, link is in the description and in the comments, so you don't miss out on those awesome stuff, awesome resources. All resources are there in my channel, Telegram channel, so you have no excuses कि हमको पता नहीं था कहाँ से क्या करना है. Okay, so do current affairs अच्छे से. Okay, also get Manorama yearbook or Manohar Pandey's book. For static you can use Lucent GK, और Manorama yearbook में भी static cover है. And also there are free resources on my Telegram channel. जो भी मैंने बोला है सब आपको PDFs मिल जाएंगे. So do join the Telegram channel. Mistake number 2 is lack of consistency. Okay, 2 दिन किया, 1 दिन गैप हो गया, 3 दिन किया, 4 दिन पढ़ाई नहीं किया. सो वी फोकस बिकॉज अदर कॉलेजेस के भी अभी इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, उनका रिजल्ट आता है. सो टिस्नेट से फोकस थोड़ा हट जाता है. We feel कि कर लेंगे, whenever testnet is near, we'll focus on that. So please don't do that. Have consistency. Even if you are studying for, like, let's say 1.5-2 hours, study for 1.5-2 hours, but don't lose that momentum when you build. Okay, when you study regularly, you build that momentum. ऐसे आपका curve ऐसे okay, it will shoot like anything on the testnet day. If you regularly keep on the consistency, you'll understand your flaws, your mistakes, you'll clear your concepts, and धीरे धीरे you'll improve, and your graph will go like this. But if you break that momentum, you'll again have to start, again have to go, so you won't reach that peak on the D-day. So please keep consistency, regularly करो. at least mocks दो, किसी दिन analyze करो. अगर study करना बोर हो गया है, take mocks, एक दिन पूरा GK कर लो, but don't lose the preparation till the final exam D-day. पोस्टपोन होता है, प्रीपोन होता है एग्जाम, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट डेट, कुछ भी रहने दो. यू डोंट लूज योर फोकस, कीप कंसिस्टेंसी high. Your target for the testnet will be scoring 60 out of 60 marks for sure, because scoring in the non GK part, scoring 60 out of 60 is not a very big task. Okay, and testnet aspirants are growing year by year. Lot of engineers take the testnet, so you shouldn't lose out on that. Okay, you need to improve every day so that आपका score 60 out of 60 तो definitely touch हो रहा है, so that GK में ऊपर नीचे भी हो जाता है, तो you can still clear the cutoff. Okay, mistake number 3, no mocks. No mock test taken or no solved previous year papers. Okay, we feel that we have prepared for the CAT or other entrances, and testnet is relatively a simpler exam, so देख लूँगा on that exam D-day, I'll see I can easily score. No, that is a mistake. Okay, you should take the mocks, or you should at least take the past year testnet 7-8 papers. How the pattern of the exam, how the format is, what kind of level of difficulty of questions are coming, is there any difference in the pattern. you should take GK first or GK last while taking the mock test. So mock tests are specifically designed, the purpose is to design your strategy for the exam. What section you should take first, what section you should take next, second, third, because it's a no negative marking paper, no negative marking examination, and you can hover in whichever section you like. So you need to form your strategy by taking the past year papers or the mock tests, and join my Telegram group because people are sharing mock tests with each other that can benefit you also. Point number four, not utilizing the no negative marking of TISNET. So TISNET is an exam where 100 out of 100 marks one can possibly get. There is no negative marking at all. Okay, that's a boon, but people foolishly, when they don't solve the mocks on the D-Day, mismanagement of time happens and they don't tick all the 100 options. Please remember, there is no negative marking, so you have to tick all the 100 questions. कोई भी छोड़ के नहीं आना है. You have to solve all the 100 questions of TISNET paper. Okay. Even if you don't know the answer, take a logical guess. ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन मेथड आपको आना चाहिए. बिटवीन द 4 ऑप्शंस इजीली 2 ऑप्शंस हट जाते हैं, इजीली 1 ऑप्शन हट जाता है, एंड योर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग द राइट आंसर इंक्रीजेस. 2 ऑप्शन हट गए, योर प्रोबेबिलिटी बिकम्स 50% ऑफ गेटिंग द राइट आंसर, राइट. सो आपको जस्ट ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट करना है, एंड यू शुड नॉट लीव अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन unattempted. You have to mark all the 100 questions. So please do that even in your mocks. मॉक्स में आपने नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा, बिकॉज इन मॉक्स यू डोंट डू दैट, so that you get to know your real score without the tukkas. So in mock test, do not tick all the 100 questions. You do that when TISNET exam is nearing. Right now you should know the real score that is coming in your TISNET without the tukkas. So but in the exam D-Day, do solve all the 100 questions. मार्क करके आ जाओ, क्योंकि नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग है. नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग लॉजिकल ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन से एटलीस्ट आपका 5-6 मार्क्स भी बढ़ सकता है. सो प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट. पॉइंट नंबर 5, मिस्टेक नंबर 5, not attempting the paper rightly with the right strategy. Okay, so my best strategy that I had formed after taking several mocks, after taking several exams, after my second, third attempt, best strategy मैं आपको बोलता हूँ. Okay, for any examination, it's called a round robin strategy. Round robin strategy क्या होता है? आपको पेपर 2 राउंड्स में देना है. In the first round, you do only the easy questions first. In the first round, अब जैसे आप क्वेश्चंस को निहारते हो, whenever you go through the questions, you'll realize this question I can solve in like 15 seconds, this question I can solve in 10 seconds. So go through all the paper first and solve only the questions that you can solve in less than 30 seconds. Fat, because there are a lot of easy questions in the middle of the paper. What happens is people solve the difficult ones first, they get stuck, 1-2 minutes लग जाते हैं, and their confidence goes low. Yeah, will I be able to meet that 100 score? Will I be getting good score? And that will reflect in all the other questions. So you'll do poorly. So it's the best strategy to go round robin. Do only the easy ones first. Easy करके 60 में से आप 30 questions easy वाले कर लो in the round 1. And now go back from the question number 1 and do the little more difficult questions, जिसका 1 मिनट से ज़्यादा आपको लग रहा था टाइम लगेगा, that you will have to solve. So in that second round, solve those questions and then you are sorted. So do the round robin strategy. Round 1 में only the easy questions first, less than 30 seconds. Round 2 which will take ज़्यादा time, पर आपको आता है. So round 1, round 2 of round robin strategy, this will help you the best in TISNET or any exam. So guys, keep your cool, keep your calm, and do tell me in the comment section what more videos you want from me, and do hit subscribe and hit on all notifications so that you don't miss, because I'm going to regularly put videos till the examination day, and also will prepare with each other for the GDPI, VAT, how to do well in the personal interviews, in the GDs and everything. So guys, see you in the next video. I hope you like this. Please like, hit, share, subscribe, and share it to your other friends who are preparing for TISNET. Alright guys, I wish you all the best. See you in the next video. Bye bye. All sorted.